In this example, we need to determine whether we can use the normal distribution as an approximation to binomial distribution. If so, then we need to use normal distribution to find the probability of more than 9. First, we need to find NP and NQ and determine whether they are both greater than 5. So NP is equal to 25 times 0.4, which is 10. NQ is equal to 25 times 0.6, which is equal to 15. Both NP and NQ are greater than 5, so we can use the normal distribution to find the probability of more than 9. So next we need to find the mean, which is equal to NP, which we just found was 10. We also need to find the standard deviation, which is the square root of NPQ, or when we substitute in the numbers, 25 times 0.4 times 0.6. Working that out, you'll get a very long decimal, 2.449,489,743. Here's a warning. Do not round the standard deviation or you will not get the same answers as the book. So now let's draw a picture to better visualize what we're looking for. So we draw the normal distribution. Our mean we know is 10. We're looking for the probability of more than 9. 9 is to the left of 10, but we have to consider the continuity correction. So to the left of 9 we would have 8.5, and to the right of 9 we would have 9.5. So more than 9 is definitely this area to the right, and then you have to think about whether or not we want to include 9. Well, more than 9 does not include 9, therefore we do not want to include the continuity correction strip. So this actually is the area that we're looking for. If we're using table A2, then we need to convert 9.5 to a z-score. So z is equal to 9.5 minus the mean, which is 10, divided by the standard deviation of 2.449,489,743. Rounding to 2 decimal places, you should end up with negative 0.20. Keep in mind that when you use table A2, you're actually finding the area to the left of the z-score. In this case, we want the area to the right. So we will need to take 1 minus the area that we find in the table, which is 0.4207, and that will give us 0.5793. That's the area to the right, or the probability of more than 9. Now if you want to use your calculator instead of the table, then you wouldn't have to do that part. Once you find the picture, then you can enter this into your calculator. Normal CDF, we want from 9.5 to infinity. The mean is 10, and the standard deviation is that very long decimal. You should end up with 0.5809 when you use your calculator.